your girl, Sneaker Mom, back in the building with another review for you guys. Now I know, I'm quite sure y'all done seen all the reviews on these, but I'm gonna do mine anyway. We got the Nike versus Social Status Dunk. Let's get into this box, cause the box is really is where it's at. It shows a presentation of what you about to get inside the box. All right, let's look at the details of this box. We got a Nike versus Social Status right there on the bottom, 100% authentic. You even got your ounces on there, 32, about 48 ounces, equaling one pair. All natural. Got this pink and brown box. Turn the box around, you got the two things right here that say lift up. Y'all remember on your cereal boxes back in the day when you was little, they used to always have these little puzzle things that you could do. And they added that to it. Got your Nike right here. Sale by fall 2020 right there. Then you got it open right here. This box is nice. Size right there. Man, oh, can't forget this part. The box ingredient content. Man, let me go a little closer so y'all can see that. You got your box content. You got everything that's in there. Swoosh, eye states, laces, main panels, your tongues. Then look at that, work ethic. Dang, I can't even say the word now. We ain't gonna talk about, you know what I mean. And integrity, all 100%. Then you got your ingredients. Nike Dunk, Social Status, whole milk, chocolate flavor, strawberry flavor, and then it says, make sure you wear at the opening. Nice. All right, let's get into this inside of this box. Okay. Man, the inside of the box is just as good as the outside of the box. All right, man. Okay, nice. Look, shoes. All right, before we get into the shoe, let's talk about the inside of the box. It comes with a little pack thing, a little pouch. Got a Nike check on that side. This side says Nike times Social Status. I'm assuming it's a little change purse. That's what it looked like. Open here, yeah, it's a little change purse that they added inside the box. And let's get into this paper. Sit that paper right there, but this paper right here. Nike Town Social Status School District Lunch Menu. How many of y'all remember your lunch menu back in the day? Used to look just like this. That's nice. Wow, that's nice paperwork. Calendar, got little school kids on the side. Okay. This box sets you up for what's inside the box, which is this lovely shoe that we're finna talk about. Alright, this is Nike Town Social Status Dunk. First of all, it's for everybody who used to get free lunch back in the day. I know y'all all remember trying to make it to school and get that free lunch, so we all know where he coming from when he made these shoes and the whole meaning behind them, which is it's just how it is in the world now, same as it was back in the day. You still got those that's out there trying to make it, and the free lunch without free lunch, you know, who knows what it will have happened. So okay, let's get to it on a better note. Let's check out this shoe. Man, this shoe's nice. Okay, you got your look like I would say a brownish tan leather outsole. Right there on the side, you got this material that's up here is like a cream. I don't know what kind of material that is, but it's real soft. well, it's not leather, so I don't know what it's called, but that's a nice material right here. You got your brown shoelaces. You got your tongue. They got Nike on there. It's like green. It's green with a like paper material. You got the inside of the shoe that's pink. Social status in there. Social status symbol. You got your little velvet. That's what it. Okay, velvet. Velvet brown around here. So this is a velvet toe box. Come with your extra laces. Then you got the ingredients on the side of the shoe. Y'all can see that. It says Nike Sportswear Social Status, Milky Gel Swiss, YY Velvet Diffuse, Nubuck. That's Nubuck. My Nubuck, y'all. And then you got your microblade textile line, Tyvek label, round twisted pony laces. Okay, so there we go. That's everything about the shoe right there. Get a little close up for y'all. All right, but this check though, I'm guessing there's supposed to be some strawberry milk inside that check, but it's thick and it's just, look at that material, man. It's just so nice. All the materials on the shoe is just nice. Premium materials. Then you got your blue bottom, which just brings the shoe out. Cause with all those colors, that blue goes perfect with these shoes. These are some nice shoes with your Nike chip right here on the toe box. Nice. But y'all say Nike Dunk of the Year? I don't know. It's up there. It top 10 at least. It's up there. These are some nice shoes. Okay, y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these shoes and did you pick them up? But yeah, let's get to the back. It's also something on the back of the tongue. Nike Swoosh name, trademarks and all, with the orange in the back. But yeah, these are some nice shoes right here. You can tell they really took time and put the best quality materials in the shoe, and it really shows. These are nice. This was a great collaboration. I don't have any kind of defects on it or nothing. Everything like it was going through quality control, and it was actually tested and made it throughout a good way, because this shoe is nice. What y'all think? Let me know down in the comments below. Let me know. And if you haven't, go ahead and like, subscribe. And we're gonna continue to do these videos and these reviews. And y'all just let me know what you think. Let me know if y'all have any questions or anything. And until next time, peace.